My holiday gift guide for kids is My holiday gift guide for kids is number 1, a smartwatch. There's a great one out from VTech. It's called the KidiZoom, the DX2. It's a great, fun little toy they're gonna have lots of fun with, and they can spend hours with it. They can track their footsteps. It's got a camera built into it. There's lots of games as well, so there's lots of things for them to do, and it comes with a number of different really cool colors. Check it out. Number 2 on my list, get them into their own tablet. They can watch all their shows, they can play games, there's lots of educational content. Amazon has come out with a kids edition of the HD8 Fire. I think it's a great thing to look at for kids. Number 3, set of headphones. Found a great pair from JuniorJams. One thing about kids wearing headphones is that they can hurt their precious little ears. These babies come with controls on them so they can't raise the volume too loud. They're also really funky looking. I think it's a great choice. Number 4 on my list is the FujiFilm Instax, the Mini 11. Fun little toy. They can take pictures and they instantaneously print out. They'll want to take pictures of their friend, the Christmas tree, the stockings, everything in the house. Number 5 on my list is the OSMO. This is a great accessory that is great for learning that works with an existing tablet. So if you have an iPad or an Amazon Fire, you can connect this device to it and it brings a whole new experience to the tablet. Essentially what you can do is play puzzles, word games, spelling, and you can do all of that right with the device connected to your iPad. I'll throw one more in there as a stocking stuffer idea. Oral-B has a great kids toothbrush. These come themed in their favorite characters. And you know what? Honestly, get your kid into a fun toothbrush and they'll have a lot more fun brushing their teeth. Trust me, they're gonna like it. For these and more exciting gift ideas for this Christmas, check out GetConnectedMedia.com.